How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So you have to just go to Google and search for IDM extension, right, and search for it. Now here you will get this option of IDM extension is not shown in Chrome extension list. So they know this problem IDM, and they have just given the reason that I do not see IDM extension in Chrome extension list. How can I install it? So first of all, you have to update your IDM to the latest version. So you have to just go and click on open in a new tab and then just go here, and basically you have to just go and click on buy now, because IDM is free for the first 30 days, but after that you have to update it and you have to purchase the subscription. The second thing is that if you don't see IDM integration module, right, so let's go back here and search for open with download manager. Now here you can go to the search bar and search for IDM. Now, just like me, if you're not able to see IDM, the reason is because it is hidden. Now, why I'm saying this hidden? Because let's go back here. And you can see here, if our extension is hidden on Google Store and it cannot be searched as well. That's the reason we are not able to find it here. Now, we have to install it. So in this page, you will see this IDM integration module. Just go and click on here. Now, automatically, you will be redirected to Chrome Web Store and click on Add to Chrome. Right now here you have to just go and click on add extension. Now once you just go and click on add extension here, you can see here, let me just minimize this for you guys. Now here IDM extension module has been added. Right now this is how you can do so, and thanks for watching this video.